Hi again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install additional internal SSD storage on my PlayStation 5 Slim Disk Edition, specifically the 2TB Oracle PS5 cooling SSD. Let's get into it. First things first, power off your PS5 and unplug the power cord. Safety first, always. Next, place your PS5 in this position with the PlayStation logo on the upper left corner. Now flip it over so the disk drive is facing you, because that's where the SSD slot lives. Grab the upper side of the side panel with your bare paws like this. Gently pull it upward, thumbs pinned just below, easy does it. We're upgrading, not wrestling. Now the slot is exposed, well, almost. We still need to unscrew this metal cover plate. Boom! Cover blown. Inside, you'll find an extra screw and a washer, which also acts as a spacer. Unscrew those and keep them handy. Got fat hands? Yeah, fat chance you're pulling that washer out, calmly. Do yourself a favor, use the screwdriver that comes with the product to skewer it out. Easy win. Now slide the SSD into the slot. Make sure the connectors are facing left, just like this. Push it in gently but firmly until the SSD's screw hole lines up with the PS5 screw slot. Place the washer/spacer underneath, screw it down snugly, and you're golden. Put the metal cover back on, yep, you already know, screw it back in. Time to reattach the side panel. Lower end goes in first, slide it down, then press the top until it snaps back into place. Clean. And that's it, we're ready to power up the PS5. Once it boots, the system should detect the new SSD and prompt you to format it. It'll take a moment to test the speed. Mine clocked in at 6,888 megabytes per second, slightly lower than the advertised speed, but still well above Sony's 5,500 megabytes per second minimum, so we're all good. After setup, head over to Settings, then Storage. You should see M.2 SSD storage, and when selected, the SSD brand, Oracle, in my case. From there, choose installation location to decide which games get installed on your shiny new SSD. I played for about 6 hours straight after installing it, no lag, no hiccups, no drama. Love to see it. Hoping this SSD holds up long term. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and yes, you are officially allowed to like and subscribe. Cheers!